currently standing inside our camper truck. I'm going for a little guided tour. This is our diesel cooktop. We carry 600 litres of diesel with a 3,000 kilometre range. We also have a diesel heater for water as well as atmosphere. And this is our standard caravan sink. This is a Korean bench top. That's a synthetic type of marble or a stone. And over here we go to the master bedroom area. We're taking our 8 beautiful grandchildren with us. These long struts there, they are the actuators which pull the top down of the camper to make it less in size so we can put it into a shipping container. This is our wardrobe space. We've got a huge underbed drawer there, and the 2 round black things are for the expelling of the heat when the diesel heater is on. This is the fridge, good size, and the freezer is just underneath. Des has used teak throughout on all the trims because it's waterproof, very hardy. We've got 4 large solar panels on the roof, and they charge the 4 deep cell batteries we have as well. Under the floor space here between the chassis we have 300 litres of drinking water. This section here, which is raised from the floor, is where the catchment area is for the water from the shower. And this is the shower rail here. This section opens up. Like this. This size for showering. And then there's also a toilet inside there. And we have a crawl through space here. This space connects through to the cabin in the truck so that we can crawl straight through there and don't have to go into the weather if it's raining to get into the camper. We've got 2 winches on the front of the vehicle and the back in case we get into strife. We've got air conditioning as well, and we can work off the generator if we're out in the bush camping. So this will be our little home for the next 12 months. I'm very thrilled with it, and Des will be very excited to get away too after his last 18 months of work. Hope you enjoyed sharing this with me. Bye bye.